Hello and welcome to our video about what people really think about money and the truth that comes with it. We all have various money views and attitudes that are influenced by our upbringing, experiences, and cultural background. But what do people truly believe about money? We want to uncover the reality underlying people's conceptions of money in this video. Best to stay tuned on this intriguing journey into the world of money and human psychology, whether you have a keen interest in personal finance or simply wondering about what people truly think about money. Also, do not forget to give us a like and might as well subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Money is a subject that is frequently veiled in mystery, taboo, and in some cases, shame. Despite the fact that money is ubiquitous in our everyday lives, many individuals have a difficult relationship with it. Some might have received inheritance money and feel guilty or unworthy of it, whereas others are probably struggling to make ends meet and are embarrassed to discuss their financial position. So, what are people's true feelings regarding money? Our first subject on what people truly believe about money is that it is essential, but it does not equate to happiness. People require money to satisfy their fundamental requirements such as food, housing, clothes, and healthcare. However, research shows that at a certain point, increasing one's money does not always result in increased happiness. Money and happiness have a complicated and diverse relationship. According to research, persons who emphasize connections such as bonding with family and friends and experiences such as traveling or pursuing hobbies are happier than those who prefer financial belongings. This phenomenon is caused by a number of variables. To begin with, material items frequently lose their worth and freshness over time, whereas experience and relationships may bring long-term enjoyment and memories. While money is necessary for basic requirements, it is not the only factor of pleasure. People who value connections and experiences are happier than those who value material stuff. As a result, it is critical to acknowledge the limitations of financial prosperity and to invest in moments and connections that may give long-term satisfaction and contentment. It may appear difficult to achieve exponential wealth development while prioritizing happiness, yet it is not impossible. Rather than chasing material stuff, invest in experiences that will last a lifetime. Prioritize your physical and mental wellness and engage in personal growth to boost your earning potential. Create passive income sources to ensure financial security while still making time for the activities that make you happy. Finally, give back to others, since it is through giving that we gain. You may live a meaningful and fruitful life by balancing financial success with personal satisfaction. The second subject is that money is a significant cause of stress. Financial stress can be caused by a variety of circumstances, including debt, job loss, unexpected spending, and trouble preparing for the future. The stress of budgeting can lead to anxiety, sadness, and other mental health issues. It can also lead to physical health issues, including high blood pressure and heart disease. One explanation for this is that it might have an impact on a person's sense of security and well-being. When a person struggles to pay bills or manage their money, it can interfere with their ability to focus on other aspects of their life, such as relationships, health, or personal growth. Furthermore, financial stress can cause emotions of shame or inadequacy, particularly in cultures where money success is intimately linked to a person's value. Financial stress may have a significant influence on a person's emotional and physical well-being. Recognizing that indications of financial stress and taking proactive efforts to cope with it is critical. Focusing on what matters most in life is a smart method to manage financial stress. We may gain perspective and decrease the impact of financial stress by taking a step back and meditating on what actually matters. For example, if family is a major priority, think about non-monetary methods to spend meaningful time together. It may be something as easy as going for a walk in the park or playing a board game at home. If professional advancement is essential to you, concentrate on learning new skills or looking for new employment prospects, which can lead to improved income and financial security. Our third subject is that money is viewed as a metric of success. Money is frequently associated with a person's degree of performance, position, and value. This viewpoint is particularly widespread in societies or businesses where financial achievement is strongly rewarded. It is seen as a criterion of success because it gives physical proof of achievement. It provides a concrete tool to quantify performance in a world where success can be subjective and difficult to evaluate. In addition, money may offer access and opportunities that would otherwise be inaccessible, strengthening the notion that financial success is necessary for accomplishing one's goals. However, focusing solely on money as a gauge of success might have detrimental repercussions. It can cause emotions of inadequacy or guilt in individuals who do not attain financial success, and it can help to perpetuate economic disparity. On top of that, pursuing money as the sole indicator of success may result in a lack of pleasure or happiness by neglecting other vital aspects of life, such as relationships or personal growth. Money is one indicator of success, but it is not the only one. It is also necessary to remember that money does not provide pleasure or contentment. Rather, concentrate on striking a balance between financial achievement and personal well-being. Set lofty financial objectives, boost your earning potential, invest intelligently, live within your means, and network and cooperate with like-minded others. Prioritize your relationships, health, and personal fulfillment as well. You may attain exponential wealth growth while living a happy and full life if you discover this balance. Remember that success is measured in more than simply dollars and cents. Our last subject on what people truly believe about money is that it is a reflection of values. The way a person spends or saves money may indicate a lot about their personal values and lifestyle choices. A person who values sustainability, for example, may opt to invest in eco-friendly items or give to environmental charities. Similarly, someone who appreciates education may decide to invest in their own education or donate to educational groups. Through charitable gifts or philanthropy, money may also be used to reaffirm a person's ideals. Individuals can have a sense of purpose and effect beyond their own personal money by supporting causes or organizations that correspond with their ideals. Money can also be used to show thanks or appreciation to others, such as through gift giving or acts of service. It is crucial to emphasize, however, that money does not necessarily correspond with a person's beliefs, and that financial decisions can be impacted by variables such as societal pressure or financial restrictions. Individuals must periodically reflect on their financial decisions to ensure that they're consistent with their own beliefs and ambitions. It is possible to achieve exponential wealth development while keeping a money is a reflection of values attitude. The trick is to match your financial objectives to your own beliefs and priorities. This includes investing in companies and sectors that share your beliefs while avoiding those that do not. Also, while exercising mindful spending habits and prioritizing saving will assist you in achieving financial success while being loyal to your principles. Investing in socially responsible mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that correspond with your beliefs is one method. These funds make investments in businesses that place a premium on the environment, society, and ethical business practices. You may attain financial development while also supporting your personal ideals by investing in these funds. In all, it necessitates a delicate balance of financial strategy and personal convictions. You may achieve financial success while adhering to your own ideas and priorities if you have the correct mentality and strategy. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be informative on how complex the connection between people and money is. Remember that money is a tool that can be utilized to help us reach our goals and objectives, but it is essential to cultivate a positive attitude about it. We can make better financial judgments if we understand our own money views and attitudes. We would love to hear your comments about it. Write your feedback below and tell us about your favorite part of this video. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family if you found it beneficial. Also remember to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic videos on personal finance, investing, and wealth creation. We publish new content on a regular basis, so be sure to turn on the notification bell to keep up with the latest videos. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.